Welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you another inspiring collection of beautiful crochet top designs that combine handmade craftsmanship with modern fashion. If you love stylish outfits, creative crochet patterns, and latest fashion inspiration, you are in the right place. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this stunning collection. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment which crochet top you would love to wear. Crochet tops have become one of the biggest fashion trends because they offer the perfect balance of elegance, comfort, and creativity. Whether you are dressing for a casual day out, a beach vacation, or summer party, or simply looking for something unique, crochet tops always make a fashionable statement. Their handcrafted beauty makes every design feel special and different from ordinary clothing. As each design appears on your screen, notice the incredible variety of style and patterns. Some crochet tops feature delicate lace-inspired stitches that create a soft and feminine look, while others showcase bold texture patterns that add depth and personality. Every design reflects the skill, patience, and creativity behind handmade crochet fashion. One of the most attractive quality of crochet tops is the versatility. They can be paired effortlessly with denim jeans, shorts, skirts, well-leg trousers, or even layered under jackets and cardigans. No matter your personal style, there is a crochet top that complements your wardrobe beautifully. Fashion trends continue to change, but crochet remains timeless. Designers around the world are constantly introducing fresh ideas by combining traditional outfits, crochet techniques with modern cuts and stylish silhouettes. If you're new here, please subscribe our channel, like, share. Take a closer look at the beautiful necklines featured in this collection. You will see classic round necks, elegant V-necks, stylish square necklines, halter styles, and off-shoulder designs. Each neckline creates a completely different look, giving every crochet top its own unique personality. Watch full video till the end. The beauty of crochet lies in its texture. Unlike regular fabric, crochet creates natural depth through carefully crafted stitches. These rich textures give every top a luxurious appearance that stands out effortlessly. It's one reason handmade crochet continue to attract fashion lovers across the world. Colors play an important role in crochet fashion. Soft natural shades create timeless elegance, with vibrant colors bring energy and confidence. Pastel tones offer a fresh and feminine feel, and bold colors transform simple crochet tops into eye-catching fashion statements. As you continue watching, you will discover designing ranging from minimalistic everyday tops to more detailed statement pieces. Some features floral inspired patterns, while others highlight geometric stitches, open work details, or modern textures, feminine finishes. Every design offers fresh inspiration for anyone who appreciates creative fashion. If you enjoyed this collection, stay with us because some of the most beautiful crochet top designs are still coming up. Each new style introduces different stitches patterns, creative shapes, and fashionable ideas that may become your next favorite look. One of the reasons crochet tops remain so popular is their ability to suit every age and personality style. Whether you prefer elegant simplicity, bohemian fashion, vintage charm, or contemporary trends, crochet offers endless possibilities to express your individuality with confidence. These beautiful tops also demonstrate how handmade fashion continues to grow in popularity. More people are choosing handcrafted clothing because it celebrates originality, creativity, and quality. Every stitch represents attention to detail, making each crochet top feel truly one of a kind. Imagine styling these tops for different occasions. Some designs are perfect for weekend outings, while others are ideal for vacations, brunch with friends, festivals, beach wear, or evening gatherings. Their versatility makes the crochet tops are essential part of every fashionable wardrobe. As a collection continue, pay attention to the unique sleeves designs, decorative edges, intricate motifs, and elegant finishing touches. These thoughtful details transform simple garments into fashionable works for art that reflect both tradition and modern design. Fashion is not only about following trends, it's about expressing your personality. Crochet tops allows you to do exactly that through handcrafted beauty, timeless elegance, and creative designs. Every top in this collection tells its own story through carefully crafted stitches and artistic patterns. Before the video ends, we will love to know your opinion. Which crochet top was your absolute favorite? Was it a simple everyday style, an elegant lace design, or a bold modern patterns? Share your favorite in the comment because we always enjoy hearing your thoughts and seeing which designs our viewers love the most. So please subscribe our channel, like, and do shares to your friends and crochet lovers. I hope you will enjoy this video and watch this video till the end. Some of today's designs blend classic crochet techniques with modern fashion trends, creating these tops and skirts feel both timeless and contemporary. This combination allows crochet fashion to remain relevant season after season while continue to inspiring new generations of designers and fashion lovers. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We hope this collection inspires you with fresh crochet fashion ideas and beautiful handmade designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest collections of crochet tops, dresses, blouses, skirts, cardigans, and the newest handmade fashion trends from around the world. We will see you in the next video with another amazing collection of crochet fashion inspiration. So never miss our latest videos for the future. Watch whole video till the end. These beautiful trends are new and trendy that follow evergreen designs. Thanks for watching.